So in this video, we're going to discuss about the Google Pixel 11 Pro Fold, which was released today in India. This mobile is going to come with two displays, as we all know that. Yeah, when it is wide open, it has a 8 inches of OLED display, which is a 120Hz refresh rate supported, HD10 plus supported, corner glass protected display. And when it is unfolded, like a normal mobile, it has a 6.3 inches of 120Hz refresh rate OLED display, and it has also a HD10 plus supported Full HD plus resolution display protected by the corner glass Victus 2. And when we talk about the processor, this mobile is going to come with the next gen, the Google's own processor. There is a Google Tensor G6, which is a successor for the Google Tensor G5, and it is a 2nm based octa-core 5G processor. So when we talk about this mobile's variants, like this mobile is available in, till the news now, it will be available in 3 variants mostly: 12GB and 256 and 16GB of RAM and 512GB of internal storage and 16GB of RAM and 1TB internal storage. Now these are going to be UFS 4.1 storage capacities along with the LPDDR5 RAM types. So we can expect a good performance from this mobile itself if the mobile's processor performs well. When we talk about this mobile's camera, this mobile is going to come with the triple cameras at the rear side, a 50 megapixels of main wide angle camera with optical image stabilization, and a 48 megapixels of ultra wide angle camera, and a 50 megapixels of telephoto periscopic lens, which can be used to shoot up to 5x optical zoom shots. When we talk about this mobile's selfie camera, this mobile is going to come with 12 megapixels of front facing selfie shooter, both in the fold and open screens. To power this mobile, I would say this mobile is going to come with a decent amount of battery. There is a 5150 milliamps of battery. By the way, this is a lithium ion battery, not the silicon battery, and it supports 67 watts of fast charge through wire. There is no wireless and reverse wireless charging features for this mobile. When we talk about the physical aspects, like this is a complete metal and glass build body. This mobile is also going to come with a Android version 17 out of the box. This is the first mobile, I think, which comes with the Android version 17. Probably the next mobile is going to be the Redmi one. And this mobile is also going to come with the features such as IP68 water and dust resistant, so you don't need to worry about using this in this rainy season outdoors. This mobile is also going to come with the in-display fingerprint scanner and no 3-pin FM jack, and it comes with the stereo speakers. When we talk about this mobile's other features, like this mobile is going to come with the latest features such as Bluetooth 6.0, Wi-Fi 7 Wi-Fi support, and NFC. This mobile comes with all the sensors like gyroscope, proximity sensor, accelerometer, compass, everything except the radio. And it also skips the IR blaster. When we talk about this mobile's weight, this mobile weighs around like 220 grams, not that much weight when we compare to the other foldable mobiles which came in the past. So this mobile is going to come to sale soon in India to buy. I will leave a link to buy this mobile in the description box down below. Do subscribe to the channel to get the latest updates, and I will also post the community posts in our channel, so do subscribe to the channel. And when we talk about the colors of this mobile will be available in 2 to 3 colors. I will list the colors in the description box down below and with the buying link of the mobile. When we talk about the price, this mobile might release with a price tag of 1,86,999, almost 1,87,000 rupees. For that amount of huge price, I don't know who's going to buy this mobile. If you're going to buy this mobile, do let me know in the comment section down below. So subscribe to the channel and share the video.